Let's create one more component of the car engine. In this tutorial, you'll learn to create the valve cover. And if you missed the others video, you can download this file in the description. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step, go to Assembly, select the new component and the component name. We will call this valve cover. And the parent here is the car engine and press OK. I will hide the others component. Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. And select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle. Click here in the midpoint. The rectangle here has 508 millimeters by 165.095 millimeters. And in the corners, we'll make a fillet with 20 millimeters of radius. And press OK. And now go to offset, select this rectangle here. The distance of the offset is 10.16 millimeters. Change the direction here, it is inside. And select the construction line type because it will be used for reference and press OK. Let me move the dimension here. And now select point. Make a point in the center of this line, in the center of the right line here, and in the center of this line. And here we will create 2 points here and this line and 2 points here. And go to sketch dimension, select this point and this line. The distance here is 107.41 millimeters. And select this point and this construction line. The distance here is 86.37 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and this point and this line, is 148.13 millimeters. And the distance between this point and this line here is 178.61. So that's it, finish the sketch and go to extrude, select this profile. The distance here is minus 63.5 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. And here, show the sketch 1. And go to create and select hole. The placement, select from sketch. And here, in the right side here, we will select these 3 points. And we will select this point here and this one. And here we will select this point. That is the center of this arc. These 2 points here and this one. And the hole type is counter body. The hole tape type is simple. The extend here, select all. And the counter body dimension is 22.23 millimeters. The counter body dip 55.88. And the diameter is 6.76 millimeters. And press OK. You can hide the sketch 1. We made this profile here. And now go to create a sketch and select this face. And here, select slot, center to center slot. And take a point from this edge and make a slot here. The distance here is 22.65 millimeters. And the diameter is 40.64 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between this line here and this edge is 120.65 millimeters. And now go to create and select the rectangular pattern. The object, select this slot. The direction, select this edge here. The distribution, spacing. The quantity is 2. And the distance is 146.05. the direction one side, one direction, and press OK. Sorry, the quantity here is 3. Go to rectangular pattern, select this slot. The object is this slot, the direction select this edge. Distribution is spacing, the quantity is 3, and the distance here is 146.05 millimeters. And press OK. And now, finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this 3 slot, and the extended type, select all, flip the direction, the operation is cut, and press OK. We made this one. And now go to create a sketch and select this face here. And press letter P in the keyboard. Select this circle here and this one. And press OK. And select the circle. Make a circle here concentric with 40 millimeters of diameter. And create another one here with 40 millimeters of diameter. And press OK. Finish the sketch and go to extrude. Select this profile and select this profile. And the extended type, select the to object, and the object, select this face here of the contour board cut. And press OK. We made this cut here. OK. And now go to modify and select draft. And the type here is fixed plane. The pull direction, select this face. And change the direction here. Look this arrow, change this. And the faces, select this face, this one, and this one. Make sure that the tangent chain is activated. And the angle here is 5 degrees. Then the draft size is symmetric. And press OK. And now go to extrude. Select this face here. And here, the direction one side, the extended type, select all, flip the direction. You don't need to flip, sorry. The taper angle, 5 degrees. And operation cut, and press OK. We made this one. And now, go to fillet. And before the fillet, let's make the shell. So go to modify, select the shell, and select the bottom face here. And the shell here can be 8 millimeters. And direction inside, and press OK. And now let's create the fillets. So go to fillet. Select the top face here and the bottom face, the fillet here 5 millimeters, and add selection set. Select this edge here. The fillet here is all 5 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now go to create a sketch and select this face here. I will rotate this body a little bit. And here, go to create and select text. And click here to make a rectangle here. And the text here, I will write Fusion 360 Mastery, the alignment in the center, and the letters has 25 millimeters of 8, and press OK. You can move this here. If you wanted to put a distance here, you can make a distance from this line to the center for reference. And here, finish the sketch and go to Create and select Emboss. The sketch, select this one. And the face, select this face. And here will be the dip, 1.5 millimeters. The effect here is Emboss. If you make the boss, we'll make a cut in this body, okay? And press OK. We made this one. And now we will make a copy of this one. But first, create a component from this body. So click here in this body, create a component. Rename this valve cover. And now go to move and copy, select this component and select here create a copy and move this and press OK. And here select the both components, click with the right button and unground from parent. And now you can move this. And now activate the car engine V5 and show the cylinder head. And let me move this here. And let me move this. And now go to assembly, select the constraint component. And here we will select this edge and this edge here. And add the constraints. Select this edge and this edge here. And press OK. And now to this side, we'll make the same. We will select this edge here and this edge. Let me try to flip this. No. And add the constraints. Select this edge here and select this edge here. Let me try to flip this. Okay. And now we will create the cut in the cylinder head. So activate the cylinder head here. I will hide the others component and hide the valve cover. And here we will select the cylinder head one here, go to create a sketch and select this face, capture position. And now hide the cylinder head and show the valve cover. And press letter P in the keyboard. And let me rotate this a little bit. And here we'll select the holes. You can select all the bottom face here, but in my case I will select only the holes, okay? And press OK. Show the cylinder head again. And hide the valve cover. We have the holes here. And finish the sketch, go to extrude. Select these holes here. Let me make a cut here. We have a problem with this cut, so we will change the dimensions, no problem. So the cut here is minus 25 millimeters. And the operation cut and press OK. Look that the cut is here, but we have a problem with this cut here. Okay, so let me see the valve cover and active the valve cover here. So let me find the hole. Is this hole here? This one. So let me change the sketch here. It must be to the a little bit to this side here, to the left side here. So active the sketch 1. And the distance here, we'll put 155 millimeters. So let me finish the sketch. It will update this. Look, that update the distance of this hole. And in the same case here, let me achieve the car engine. Look here, okay? This hole here and this one. And let me show the other component. And I will change the opacity of the valve cover. So that's it. Let me animate the joint here, the Revolute 9. So that's it, guys. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.